Hospitality Studies channel. This channel is created to share the knowledge of hospitality industry studies to hoteliers and hotel management students. Kindly subscribe this channel and click the notification to get every video updates from this channel. If you like the video, please share the video with your friends and hoteliers. Thank you. Let's go to the video. Hi friends. In this video we going to see about who is bartender and what they do at work. We going to discuss more in details about bartender duties and responsibility in hospitality industry. Punctuality at work. Punctuality is very important thing in hospitality. As a bartender, I make sure I reach my hotel 15 minutes in advance to prepare myself. So I make sure to plan myself in advance as per my duty schedule. For example, my duty is at 10 a.m. I will be in my hotel locker room at 9:45 a.m. Personal grooming at work. After reaching hotel, I will collect my uniform from linen room and I wear my new uniform. In hotels, all our guests come and drink with us for certain purpose. During this period they expect everything to be clean and perfect. All bar professionals are expected to dress smart, look fresh and with clean nails. Men's must be clean shaved. Females must be with proper makeup. Shoes must be polished. Hairs should not touch your shirt collar. After checking myself in locker mirror, I am ready to start my work now. Checking my communication board. After entering my work area, I check first my communication board to see what is happening today. I will check if there is any special promotions or functions or any events happening in my place. I will check my work allocation with my supervisor and then I will go to my assigned bar counter area. Setting up my bar counter. First I clean my bar counter, bar stools, bar display bottles and shelves with proper cleaning solution. I will check my bar fridges and refill the juices, soft drinks, water, beer bottles, wine bottles from my stores with help of bar back. I will check my stocks and inform my supervisor to make beverage requisition to pick up required items from stores room. Setting up my bar station. After cleaning my place, I will start cutting my garnishes like lemon, lime, orange, cherry, assorted fruits as per standard and place in chilled garnish containers. I will prepare my juices, syrups, purees in speed pouring bottles and keep in my chilled section in my bar station. I will place cubed ice and crushed in my workstation. I will refill my speed rail section with liqueurs and liqueurs. I will refill my bar organizer with coasters, tissues, stars and cocktail picks and menu cards. I will prepare all my mise en place 5 minutes in advance before my bar opens. Guest service. After setting up my bar station, I am ready to serve the guest. I keep my bar menus, service kits and ashtrays are near to me to serve the guest. I always greet our bar guest with a smile and give them the menu. I explain the speciality in our menu to upsell our food and drinks. I follow the sequence of service to every guest and give them a good farewell. During my work operation, I am always smiley and friendly to team members and to the guest. I stay positive and try to sell as much items from our menu. I follow proper cashiering and billing methods. I always listen to my supervisor and manager instructions during the work. If I am not busy, I help my colleagues section. Closing procedures. Once my shift finish or bar closed, I start to do my closing checklist. I make sure clean my section, refill the bar fridges and hand over the pending task to next shift team member. Any lost and found in my section will be handed over to housekeeping with proper procedure. I do alcohol inventory and handover to my supervisor. I always inform my supervisor or manager before I leave the venue. I believe you all learn how bartenders are working daily in hospitality industry. Thank you for watching this video. I believe this video was useful for you. If you like the video, kindly share it with your friends, hoteliers and hotel management students. See you on the next video with another interesting hospitality topic.